Dust on the saddle, boots worn thin, riding through the plains where dreams begin.
Hello guys, welcome to another adventures of the Bashing Voice. My name is Michael. This is my friend Farouk, and this is my brother Rafael. That's it, hi bro. Hi.
The cattle call echoes, the coyotes cry underneath the blanket of a lonesome sky.
So we are trying to get catfish.
The ranch lights flicker, a beacon so faint, but her face in my mind is a picture I paint.
I think the owner of the pond is not around, so we have to find a way to call him to come and attend to us. So I just called him now. He said he will send his wife to attend to us. We'll be waiting for her. Today is going to be fun. So we'll be sitting there for like 10 to 30 minutes now. I haven't seen anyone. And I'm beginning to think maybe we should go to another place. Hey, Carol. Yes. Yeah? Yeah. No, I can't tell you though. We said go with it. So we're happy to get one. So we want to get palm wine. We didn't bring keg, but unfortunately I have something very cool. Ẹ̀mí ẹ kí dáadáa. Ẹ̀dùn fọ́ àrí. Wọ́n lọ fà. 8 litre ló máa ń pọ̀. Ele. Ẹ wo inú pipe yẹn? Inú hose yín? Okay. Ṣé bí? Ẹ ṣé. Alọ.
Gbogbo ni. Àwọn tí sẹ́nu jáde wò.
Nǹkan ń wò bí gbà pé kí màá lè gbé lọ́wọ́ ẹ báyìí. So guys, we are here. So we want to set up our table. Sure. Ó lè gbé kámẹ́rà sọ̀rọ̀ ní.
Ọkàn yìí ni kí pọ́sẹ̀ máa fà sókè.
Kí ni ìmìyẹ? Wọ́n stress ẹ̀ láfọ̀ọ́ ní ìwé.
Díẹ̀ díẹ̀ rẹ̀ náà.
Dust rolls slow across the barren plain. Sun burns hot upon the cowboy chain. Wild west wind howls through the empty land. Lonely trails where the outlaws stand.
This is a locust beans, a blind locust beans. So I'm going to mix it.
Ride alone beneath the amber sky, leather worn and fire in my eye. Spirits high, the highway calls my name. No regret, no sorrow, no shame. Sandy road stretch far beyond the hill. Midnight moon watching every thrill. Gunmetal cold and freedom in my blood. Western soul standing strong and good. Cactus shadows fall that fade in light. Saloon lights glow through the lonely night. Wander far beyond the borderline. Heart unchained, forever wild and fine. Storm may come and clouds may start to rise. I keep riding under open skies. Old West stories carved in dust and stone. Brave and bold, I walk alone. Wild West ride, chase the fading sun. Desert rhythm, EDM, hit and run. Cowboy heart free behind the haze. Wide open land through the endless days. Dust and fire, rhythm in the wind. Western EDM, let the beat begin. Ride fast and tall, outrun the dark, wild frontier fire leaves its mark.
Unakosa na lazima ujue.
Error.
Rode in from out of town with a rodeo. You could say I love my work and the folks I know. We're the bulls and the beer and the guys that I meet. You could say I know my way round a roundup. And if you come around and see me riding rope, I can show you all the things that I know. And I don't mind a tight bussy on the go. But if you're looking for some sloppy toppy, no, this ain't your first rodeo.